Hi guys, today I'm back with some more UV resin earrings. Now I used this mould last week and I thought I might go in and try and make that number. So that pattern today. So I have got some clear UV resin and I've added a glitter called Cotton Candy from Glitter Overload, a supplier in Australia. And that is the color. It's a really nice holographic pink color. So all I'm going to do is try to carefully fill up this mold and we'll see what it turns out like. Okay, just trying to clean that up a little bit. Now I'm going to put this under the UV lamp, which is on the other side of the desk, so I'll do that. But before I do that, I'm just going to lift this mold up above my head just to check from below to see if there's any air bubbles. And if there are, I'm just going to get a little toothpick just to get rid of that air bubbles. Saves us time having to redo it. And I'm going to put them under the UV lamp for 1 minute this side, then I'm going to flip it over while it's still in the mold and do a minute from the other side. And I'll be back. Okay, that's had 1 minute each side. And wow, look at that sparkle. It is so pretty. Let me make another one and get some jump rings and some hooks, and I'll be back with the finished product. And there you have it, guys, the finished product. And haven't they turned out super sparkly? Totally give this mold a go, guys. There's so many different patterns to try out, and I will try out some of them. But what a versatile mold. And so quick and easy. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and catch me next time for some more resin crafting. Bye, guys.